Привет, comrades! I am Konstantin. Welcome to Cooking with the Boys on JMG with Fellows. Today we will be making a super healthy vegan smoothie. Please, come with me. We will begin. Assistant,
Oh shit!
are you ready?
Yes!
We are about to prepare the smoothie. Come. As you can see, we have a plethora of healthy vegan ingredients that we will be putting in our smoothie today. We have a wide variety of flavors, textures, and spices. We will be using the NutriBullet smoothie maker to blend a delicious smoothie. I emphasize once again, this smoothie is 100% vegan. It is very good for you. It is good for your heart, your muscles, and down there. It will give you the long schlong. Good with the ladies, yes? We will prepare our ingredients with a selection of choice utensils. We will begin by cutting the bananas. Konstantin is fine. You want to start by cutting off this part. Now as you can see, you are left with 5 perfectly good bananas. You can throw all of those away. This is what we are after. Delicious. Next, we will come to the onion. You do not need much onion, only a small amount. Make sure to remove the skin from the onion. You do not want this. Make sure to save this as it can be used later. You then want to dice your onion. Or slice it up, whichever you prefer. Delicious. Then you will need half a lemon. You want to remove any seeds that you can see. The priest knows what to do. When you have all the seeds out of the lemon in 2 halves, throw them in there. The crust of the lemon is very good for your bone structure. Then, take your strawberries. You do not want those parts. Green is gross. Remember that. Throw your strawberries in there. Very good. We then move on to the olives. Olives are quite delicious, but you do not want too many. They have a very potent taste. Take only 3. Although I say green is gross, cucumber is always good for you. Let it in. Who does not like peanut butter? Peanuts always help for flavor. We only want 3 olives, because later we add olive oil. Very good. Now this is looking like a healthy smoothie. Next, to give it the illusion that it is meat, if you like meat, you want to add Worcestershire sauce. Goes excellent with a nice steak. Do not forget to add your spices. Only a pinch. Nothing these days is not artificial. With the owner, grease. It is like styrofoam. Very good. Once you are done with those, make sure to take all of the residue left on the grater and knock it in there. Very valuable. Very valuable. Once you are done with your spices and sauces, oh, I almost forgot one. Do not forget to add ketchup. Very good. You want to throw in a bit of a base. Be sure to add Cheez-Its to the bacon pack. But do not worry, it is still vegan, not real bacon, not real bacon. Artificial. This is more how you say, a fish smegma. If you are a person with a particular sweet tooth, do not forget to add your chocolate sauce. Excellent. For spice, hot sauce, very good with tortilla chips. And for final sweetener, lemon juice, also known to the Americans as lemonade. Very good. We are then ready to prepare the smoothie. Screw on the lid tightly and securely, ensuring that there is no openings anywhere. We then go over to the base of the NutriBullet, which will spin the blades to chop up a delicious smoothie. Very loud, only do it for a short period of time. Once your smoothie is a nice liquid, that is when you are ready to pour it into a glass. Shot glass, very powerful stuff. Will grow your schlong too much if you are not careful. The smell is, if you could not tell, the smell is very strong. That it means very good, very potent. Good for bone structure. I do it for my country. I do it for the motherland. Oh, it's delicious. I can feel my schlong expanding as the minutes go by. Delicious. This has been a very successful episode of Cooking with Konstantin. Thank you for watching, comrades. See you next time. End it.